Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Nadia, and in today's video we are in the center of Torrevieja in this very nice promenade to show you a 4-bedroom apartment fully renovated for 199,000 euros. We are right in the heart of Torrevieja. All of the amenities are right here. We have tons of restaurants, cafes, shops and services around, and including the Club Náutico of Torrevieja. The port is right at my left hand. And in general, this is just the nicest area if you like the city life, and if you know Torrevieja, you love to live in this apartment. It's a very nice opportunity or for investors because it has a lot of space and you can rent this apartment even per room. But if you like Torrevieja, you like our Costa Blanca area, and to live the city life with the party, the restaurants and amenities, you can live in that apartment and you have the best possible life. Now let's get closer and see it inside. So, once we get into the property, I want to make a stop and tell you a nice detail about this house, one of the many, and is the locks. These are electronic locks that you can download an app and open from the distance. So maybe someone forgot the keys and you just go to your phone and open your property. Well, but now let's see what this very nicely renovated apartment offers. When we enter, we get to the living area, the dining, and the open kitchen. Everything was renovated recently, so the property is really nicely kept. And here we have a big wardrobe, dining area, and now let's see the living. This space actually is now used like the living area, but if you need it, you could even maybe tear this wall down and have a huge open space so you can have more light in there. But now let's see the balcony that we have. We can see from here all the restaurants, the cafes and the shops and services that are just right when you go out of your property. That is very convenient for people who like the city life. Now follow me to see the bedroom. The main bedroom here is the one that has the most natural light because of the huge windows. We have a lot of space, we have still the wardrobes, and I like a lot all of this space of window because the natural light is very valued here. So here, let's see the bedroom. What I like a lot about this house is that each of the bedrooms have a nice space, which is very difficult to find sometimes in the central apartments. They were built very tiny, but here we still have wardrobe, the big bed, and very nice windows. By the way, all of them were changed, and these are nice soundproofing windows. Follow me to see the rest. Here we have the first full bathroom with a nice and spacious shower plate. Again, everything was renovated not so long ago, so everything is kept still very nicely. But follow me to see here. Here we have the access to our back patio. So nice to have this space in your apartment in the central part of Torrevieja. You can use it to make sports, yoga, or just to relax a little bit on the fresh air. Now let's continue with the house. Here we have the second full bathroom. Again, nice full of shower plate, and we have a window for ventilation as well. But here we have the last bedroom. Again, we have nice space, big bed, and big windows for natural light. It's a very nice apartment overall, guys. So I want to make a resume of some details because apart from what we saw now, we have also a shared solarium with one neighbor. That neighbor actually almost never lives in the property, so you can enjoy that area for yourself. So to wrap up about this apartment, I came back to the beautiful promenade, and I just want to remind you that in this area it's wonderful to live. We have all services possible in this area. You have close the shops, the restaurants, all the fun and the party. And also the port, you can enjoy the sea, and the beach is also very close from here, the closest being Alicante. In this apartment, another good thing I wanted to mention is that you only have one neighbor and you don't have any community fees. That is also very economic for you guys. So have in mind, if you want more information about this so nicely renovated top location apartment, you'll have my contacts right here, and I hope to see you on the next video. Yeah, see you, bye.